let's get started. I do want to make a half bow. I chose three 1.5 inch ribbons, two 2.5 inch ribbons, and one 4-inch ribbon. So making a 7-inch tail, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a 9-inch loop. So next we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a 12-inch tail. And then we're going to start increasing our size of our loops. So we're going to go to 10-inch loop, pinch and twist. You always want to do that pinch and twist because that's really going to give you your pretty side and your ugly side. So you always want your pretty side to the front. So 7-inch tail, a 10-inch loop, pinch and twist, and then we'll just make this one a 14-inch tail. I'm going to make a 14-inch tail, pinch it, and now we're going to go up a size again on our ribbon loops, and I think I'm going to go to 11. And you can use this pattern on your easy bow maker. You would just start with your 4-inch ribbons first, and then move up to your 1.5-inch ribbons. So that's exactly what we have so far. And then we're still going to make the same size loop. So it's an 11-inch loop, pinch and twist. So like I said, pinch and twist. You always want to make sure your pretty side is what's showing. You don't want your ugly side showing. So just making a tail. So this is leftovers. So we did 11, we did 9, 10, 11. This one we're going to go up to 12 inches. Pinch and twist. And I'm just making myself a tail. And that was about a 10-inch tail. Now I'm going to get my pipe cleaner and secure it right in there. Get my zip tie. And really just cinch it all the way. So I really want all of this on the left-hand side. For me, on this side of the wreath. If you wanted it on the right-hand side, you could put it there as well. It's really not going to matter what side that bow goes on. But to me, it's a little bit more, from my eye, it's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing for everything to be on the left-hand side. Dovetailing our ribbons. So that's what we have so far. Y'all look how pretty that looks. So I'm going to start off with my leftover pieces of my 60919 first. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. I'm going to start off with my blue one first, and I'm going to go right back behind that bow, and then we're just going to layer these one in at a time. And this is really kind of like our base. I always like to call this greening the base, and even though it is a filler flower, I'm still using it kind of as my base of greens. That way I can add in the rest of those florals. So y'all, that's what we have so far. trimming this off of this bush, and I just trimmed a few pieces off of there. I didn't trim all of them off of there. Coming up in the top, like I said, those are my larger pieces. So I'm moving my ribbon. Yeah, so this is definitely like a wildflower wreath. All the components in this are really wildflowers. But if you're in Texas like me, this is definitely like a state pride wreath, because these are all of our colors. And it also has our state flower. So notice I just put in those blue bonnets up at the top and then right down here towards the bottom. Now I want to go in with some of these filler flowers and really just start filling this wreath in. So now I'm kind of just coming in through and filling in some of the gaps that I see. Really pretty wildflower wreath.